Okay students, now let us start the next concept, that is the Hershey and Chase experiment to prove that the DNA is the genetic material. Hershey and Chase experiment to prove that DNA is the genetic material. Okay, Alfred Hershey and Meta Chase in the year 1952 they performed one experiment. On the basis of that experiment, they proved that the genetic material is the DNA. ಯಾರು? ಆಲ್ಫರ್ಡ್ ಹರ್ಷಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಾ ಚೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು 1952 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಜೆನೆಟಿಕ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಈಸ್ ದ DNA. Okay, so what is that experiment? Let us start with it. For this experiment, they took two bacteriophages. Okay, you studied about the bacteriophages in the first year biological classification, last concept. The viruses that will infect to the bacteria are called as the bacteriophages. Okay, they, for this experiment, they selected two bacteriophages which are grown in the radioactive S35 and radioactive P32 medium. Okay, the bacteriophage which is grown in the radioactive S, that is sulfur 35, its protein coat is labeled with sulfur because protein contains sulfur, but its genetic material is not labeled with the sulfur because it genetic material DNA does not contain the sulfur. Okay, then in another side, the bacteriophage which is grown in the phosphorus medium, that is P32 medium, its genetic material is labeled with phosphorus because DNA containing the phosphate group, but its protein coat do not labeled with the phosphorus because protein do not containing the phosphate group. Then these two bacteriophages are made to infect an Escherichia coli bacterium. Okay, these bacteriophages are made to infect to the two separate Escherichia coli bacterium. Okay, so infection aitu. Then after several generations ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, so protein coats are blended out by the blender ಇಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು, protein coats are removed. Then after several generations, the genetic materials of the Escherichia coli and the viruses are separated by the centrifugation, andre by rotating in the centrifugal machines. Then they tested for the radioactivity. At that time they found that the genetic material inside the Escherichia coli which is labeled with the radioactive S35, its genetic material does not found any radioactivity. Inside the cell there is no radioactivity. Yake protein coat ಹೊರಗಡೆನೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. Okay, so there is no radioactivity is found in the cell which is labeled with the radioactive sulfur. Yake radioactivity is found only on the protein coat. It means that protein coat is not the genetic material ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ conclusion ಬಂದ್ರು. Okay, in another side it is this cell is also tested for the radioactivity where its DNA is found radioactive P32. Okay, it means that the DNA transfers the character, that is radioactivity, from the bacteriophage into the Escherichia coli. Okay, hence the DNA is the genetic material that transfers the characters from one generation to another generation ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ conclusion ಗೆ ಬಂದರು. ತಿಳಿತು? So Hershey and Chase experiment, Alfred Hershey and Matthias in the year 1952 they performed the experiment. On the basis of that experiment they concluded that DNA is the genetic material. For that they selected two bacteriophages, and these bacteriophages are grown. One is grown in the sulfur medium, radioactive sulfur medium. Since sulfur is not present in the DNA and it is present in the protein, hence its protein coat is labeled with sulfur. And in another side, another bacteria is grown in the radioactive phosphorus. This phosphorus is present in the DNA but not in the protein coat, hence its DNA is labeled with the phosphate or phosphorus P32. Then these bacteriophages are made to infect to the two Escherichia coli separately. Then it is left for several generations. Then the genetic materials of the Escherichia, the cells in the Escherichia coli are tested. Okay, cells are tested for radioactivity. The cell which is labeled with the radioactive sulfur, there is no radioactivity is found. It means that the protein coat is not the genetic material. And the cell in the cell whose DNA is labeled with radioactive P32 is found radioactivity. It means that the DNA is the genetic material that transfers the characters from one generation to another generation ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಓಕೆ.